Let's move to the next slide. And here we are going to talk about the length and direction of shadow change during the day. The length and direction of shadows change during the day. We have morning, midday, afternoon. So in the morning, we have the sun on our right side and the shadow is on the left side and the shadow is long. When you go to the midday, the shadow is small and is under the tree. The shadow is short and is under the tree. So the sun is up. Let's move to the afternoon. In the afternoon, the sun has moved to the left. Now we have our shadows on our right. And also the shadow is long. It's not like midday shadow. So let's look at the next slide. Shadows made by sun. Shadow made by sun. Early morning, the sun is low in the sky and casts a shadow, a long shadow. Early morning, the sun is low in the sky. You can see the sun is here, low in the sky, and casts a long shadow. It casts a long shadow. You see the tree has a long shadow. Let's move to the next slide. Here we have midday. The sun is above the tree and casts a short shadow. When the sun is above, we have the sun here, above the tree or above an object, the shadow is short. So we can see we have the sun above the tree and the shadow is short under the tree. Let's move to the next slide. Here we have in the evening, the sun is low in the sky and casts a long shadow. In the evening, the sun is low in the sky and casts a long shadow. We have seen in this page here, this is afternoon or evening. We call it afternoon and call it an evening. So the shadow is on our right side and is long. So let's proceed to the next slide. Let's see, it said that if an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets bigger. If an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets bigger. If an object is moved further away from the light source, the shadow gets smaller. If an object is moved further away from the light source, the shadow gets smaller. That's what we have seen in the picture. The picture we have seen, it talk about if an object moves close to the light source, the shadow gets bigger. If an object is moved further away from the light source, the shadow gets smaller. I have an activity here in our activity book, page 24. Here I want you to draw a shadow. In this exercise, you will think about what shadow look like. Draw the shadow of each object. So here I want you to think about the position of the sun. we can see the sun is above. All the sun is above. So now our shadow is going to be under the object. Is going to be under the object, and the shadow should be short. Complete the activity. We will discuss more about the shadows when we'll meet online. Have a nice day. Bye.